This is the second module for the CPRTF, and we'll go over how to enter in information regarding formulation data, fragrance formulators, solvent manufacturers, and contact information.
As stated in the previous module, the CPRTF the formulator receives is customized based on information submitted by the company who filled out the CPRT. You will receive a CPRTF with the product list page already filled out. These are product and formula names that companies who filled out the CPRT indicated the company you represent is the formulator for. I'm going back to CPRT tool to show that your contact information has been entered by the responsible party. Going back to CPRTF tool. You may notice that there are columns for density, fragrance name, and fragrance formulator. Density must be filled out, and if you have fragrance information, you must fill it out as well. It is your responsibility to provide the formulation data for these formulas and provide fragrance formulator contacts for any fragrances you fill out. All of the formulations being requested by the company who filled out the CPRT must be included on the product ingredients page. The Enter Formula page can be used to quickly enter and verify a formulation one at a time. Each formulation saved via the Enter Formula page will be automatically transferred to the product ingredients page. It is recommended that the formulator manually fill out at least the first couple of formulations either through the product ingredients or Enter Formula page to familiarize with the data fields before importing data. In the product ingredients page, let's enter in the formula for Hand Lotion. The formula name should match what was listed in the formula name in the product list page. Most basic ingredients will only require a chemical name and a CAS number. If a CAS number is not attainable, enter NA. Hydrocarbon solvents will require different information. The trade name should be the name of the solvent. The manufacturer of the solvent must be provided. In the solvent manufacturer page. A bin number must be provided as well. If the bin number is not known, enter NA. Solvents may also be given a chemical name or CAS number information, but it is not mandatory. Next, make sure all ingredients for the formulation add up to 100%. If the formulation is reused for a different product, then it does not need to be entered in twice. In this case, we have the same formulation for Moisturize Me hand lotion at 7.5 ounces, 5 ounces, and 1.5 ounces. Because the formulation information is reported by weight percentage and not weight, we only need formulation for both products once. For further information on how to enter the data using the Enter Formula page, please watch the CPRT Module 3 for formulation data, as the Enter Formula page works the same in both CPRT and CPRTF. Data may also be imported into the product ingredients page. For instructions on importing data, please watch CPRT Module 5, as the process is the same for both CPRT and CPRTF. CARB also requires contact information for fragrance formulators and solvent manufacturers for any of the fragrance or hydrocarbon solvents being reported in the CPRTF. These fragrance formulators or solvent manufacturers may or may not be contacted by CARB. If CARB does contact them, the contact information provided in the fragrance formulator page and the solvent manufacturer page will be used. No formal reporting tool will be utilized, and CARB will provide all necessary information. Lastly, CARB is requesting contact information for the CPRTF. On the contact information page, this information may be used if CARB wishes to re-establish contact with the individual who filled out the survey.
This concludes CPRTF Module 2. Thank you.